So how do you use Python in Visual Studio? First, you want to make sure that you have Python installed. So you can start by closing your Visual Studio project and any Visual Studio instances running. Now open up the menu here, the start menu, and type Visual Studio Installer and open it up, which should open up this window right here. Now next to your Visual Studio version, click on the Modify button. And once it loads up, in the Workloads tab here, you want to check Python Development, which is this one. Then go to Individual Components and search for Python. And make sure to check Python language support and also web support if you want that. And then click on the Modify button here if you don't have it already installed. And it should start downloading and installing the required components and files. Now, all you need to do is download and install a Python version. So you can open up a new browser tab and type Python. Click on the first website and go to Downloads and look for the version that you want to download and use. And once you finish installing it, you can also launch your Visual Studio and open up your project. Now, if you click on File, New, and if you try to create a new project, you should find the Python and the drop down here, the Python templates, where you can create different Python applications. And then you can start using Python normally and installing packages and all of that stuff. Thanks for watching and subscribe.